Welcome to Tech Mastery Guru, where we decode technology, careers, and strategy to help you stand out. In today's session, From College to Dream Job, a tactical guide to mastering your job search. This video will equip you with essential strategies to navigate the competitive job market and land your ideal role. Your journey to your dream role begins with strategy and preparation. This guide provides practical tools to position yourself as the ideal candidate, understand employer expectations, and craft your story to meet those needs. Today, we'll cover 7 key areas, including understanding job descriptions, building your personal brand, leveraging your experience, and understanding the recruiter's mindset. Each section is designed to give you actionable insights. Think of a job description as a treasure map, not a checklist. It reveals the company's business problems and pain points. Keywords are critical for applicant tracking systems and recruiters, so identify repeated skills and prioritize them. Also, distinguish between required and preferred skills. Let's dissect a sample product manager job description. Notice the keywords to highlight like product roadmap and cross-functional leadership. For qualifications, you'd provide evidence of your 3 to 5 years of experience and track record of successful product launches, especially if you have an MBA, which is often preferred. Your resume is your first impression. Ensure ATS compliance with standard headings and keywords. For human readers, mirror the job posting's language. Use the formula action verb plus what you did plus quantifiable result to showcase your achievements, such as reducing costs by 15%. LinkedIn is your professional brand. Optimize your profile with a headline reflecting your aspirations, like MBA candidate seeking product management roles in fintech. Your summary should be 3 to 4 lines, focusing on the value you bring. Actively engage by following companies and connecting with alumni. Leverage your experience by framing your story strategically using the CAR framework: challenge, action, result. For internships, emphasize learning outcomes and direct impact. For projects, highlight problems solved and technologies used. For previous jobs, translate responsibilities to your target career path. Company and role research is critical. It demonstrates genuine interest and professionalism. Research company history, values, leadership, and industry challenges. Use this information to tailor your pitch and interview answers, showing how you can contribute to their specific business goals. Even with a balanced profile, your story is more than just grades. Acknowledge any gaps, but focus on your strengths. Highlight your grit and resilience in overcoming challenges, and sell your potential for growth and future contributions to the company. Recruiters are looking for solutions. Position yourself as the candidate who solves their hiring and team challenges. Be a solution by showing how your skills tackle the company's problems, and demonstrate your value with clear, confident examples. To summarize, remember, a job description is a treasure map, not a checklist. Your resume is your sales brochure, and LinkedIn is your digital handshake. Your experience is your story of impact, and thorough research is your key differentiator. Now, for some actionable steps. Analyze a job description, mapping your skills to its requirements. Revamp a section of your resume with quantifiable achievements, and send a personalized LinkedIn connection request. Consider scheduling a follow-up session for mentorship, because your dream job isn't a destination, it's a strategy in action. If you found this session useful, hit like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Tech Mastery Guru for more career hacks, AI tools, and industry insights. And remember, don't wait for opportunities. Design them.